Welcome. In front of me is a Gateway 17517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you copying and pasting features and how they work on this laptop. So first, let me create an empty text document where I will be showing you the copying and pasting features. Now let me enter some sample text in here. And now if you want to copy this sample text, you have to select it by holding down the left key of your mouse. Then right click on it, select copy, or use Ctrl C shortcut instead. To paste it, use Ctrl V, or right click and click paste. You can also cut the text out. To do that, select it and then either right click and select cut, or just use a Ctrl X shortcut, and then to paste it again use Ctrl V. Now you can also use the Windows clipboard feature by using Windows and V buttons at the same time. Click turn on, and in this on this clipboard you'll be able to see all of the recent clips that you made. So we can, for example, make a couple of other clips, by selecting text and pressing Ctrl C, and then use Windows V, and this way we'll be able to see and paste any text sample that we want. And that's basically it. Now let's see how it works with folders and files. So let's go into, for example, the pictures folder or screenshots. Let's grab a random file, and as you can see, you can copy it, cut it out, and you can also use Ctrl C, Ctrl X shortcuts. Now once you cut the image out of here, and then either right click and select paste, or just use Ctrl V, you will cut out the image from this folder and paste it into this one. Now if you make a copy of this image and place it into the same folder, you will have two files, and the difference between them will be that the copied file will have a copy annotation at the end. And that's basically how you copy and paste files and folders and all the different kind of things on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.